guys, I'm Kyng, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I use references to create my designs. For this, I'm going to be drawing an angel in the clouds, but before I get to that, I want to explain something different. Let's call this the puzzle theory. Ignore my terrible handwriting, I know, I'm just trying to get a quick point across. It's best to view any composition like a puzzle, and that every individual part helps the viewer know what's going on. As you can see, there are two puzzle pieces here. Using your common sense, you can see that one goes into the other. Me as the artist, I don't have to tell you that. You can see it. And that's what I mean about the puzzle theory. These pieces fit together without the artist having to explain that they do. Meaning that every single part of the puzzle is self-explanatory. Now, we will get on to our piece. For this video, I'm going to be drawing an angel in the clouds, and here are the pictures that I'll be referencing. Alright. So first, I'm going to do a guideline for my angel, and after I finish the angel, I will place the heavens or the clouds in the background. Now I'm just going to do a rough sketch. I'm not doing anything significant. I want my angel to have a very free-flowing shirt so that you can see that they're actually in the air instead of standing. Like I said before, I'm just jotting down some very sketchy lines. These aren't final. And I want to make sure that the hair of my angel is flowing very loosely to make sure that the viewer understands that they're free. Again, I'm going to reiterate that this is all very loose. Some of these lines might not even make it into the final piece. Everyone has their own methods, and this is mine. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing. I'm merely just trying to give you guys knowledge as to what I do. most of you don't know how to draw angel wings, so I'm just going to go over how I do it. I know that there's no set way to draw angel wings or bird wings or anything like that, because multiple species of birds have multiple different types of wings. So I will draw it in a way that makes it appear simple yet detailed, because another theory that I have, which I'm going to explain, is less is more, meaning the fewer parts in the composition that I'm doing, the more detail you can add to those parts. I really didn't explain that too well, did I? Well, let's compare my less is more theory to breaking down $100. If I have 5 $20 bills, that just means that I have more bills, but they value less than if I was to break it down to 2 $50 bills. The more pieces I have to the puzzle, the less time I can actually dedicate to adding details to those pieces. Again, you guys, this is all very rough, so you don't have to worry about all the details or anything like that right now, because you're just jotting out your ideas onto the paper. One thing I've noticed about wings is the fact that as you get farther along in the wing, from the base all the way to the tip of the wing, the feathers get longer. This, but as you're going through it, every single layer of the wing, make sure that it comes down in a circular motion or a curved motion, so that it looks like it spurs from this one area outward. So from this area outward in a circular motion like this. Another thing I've noticed about angel wings, or wings in general, is the fact that the more you come out for each layer of the wings spread out farther and farther apart. The feathers, I mean. The feathers spread out farther and farther apart, so that you can see when you're in the very first layer of the wing, they're closer together. But as you reach farther out, there's actually space in between each one. Alright, as you guys can see, there's a wing on this side, but I've yet to do this side. So I'll start on that now. I'm gonna have to put the rest in time lapse because I know that this video is gonna take entirely too long if it was done in real time. So I will be back. And that is it. I wish I could improve on the face a little bit more, but unfortunately I have no more time for today's video. If you like this, leave a like, share it with your friends, comment, and please subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and Friday. I will see you guys in the next video. Kyng out.